Today we're making a basic quiche. Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Okay, I have pre-baked my crust for the asparagus I picked in the garden today, and I am going to make a quiche. I've got it all chopped up in the bottom here, and we're going to add a few more things. The end of May is the perfect time. I go out and I forage or pick asparagus from my garden. And we're going to start with 6 eggs right from my chickens. Oh, so nice to have them. So in here I have my 6 eggs. Go ahead and beat those 6 eggs really good. And then we're going to just add some more ingredients and we'll pour it in the crust. And 1 cup of cream. Okay. Mix that in. Give me a minute. I'm going to get my cheese. You can use 1 cup of cream. If you don't have cream, just use milk. Like I said, this recipe is very forgiving. 1 1/4 cup cheese. I mix it up. I use a 1 cup plain and 1/4 cup of something that is really tasty. Today I used 1 small tomato because I had it on hand, but you can mix up this recipe and use any kind of vegetable. I found a tomato, so I sliced that up to go in it. And I'm going to get some bacon and 1 1/4 cup of cheese. That looks about right for the bacon. I'm going to go ahead and pour the egg mixture here in. Oops, that egg needs to be beaten a little better. Let me get that one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bake this in the oven on 350 for 50 minutes. And then we will see if it needs a little more or not. But quiche is such a wonderful, forgiving recipe. Great for using up odds and ends in your garden and those extra eggs you have. It is absolutely perfect. So this will be wonderful for breakfast in the morning, and I'm really looking forward to it. Head and bake at 350 for 50 minutes before testing. And here we are. My quiche is done. And it is ready for breakfast. And there you go. Of course, the dog barks again. There you go. The perfect quiche right out of the oven. It is such a forgiving recipe. You can add just about anything to it, and it turns out really good. There you go, Rebel Canners. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.